Right, now let's do the math. I walk down my path and I don't owe you a thing. Maybe you owe me for the songs I sing, but I don't want anything, 'cause I only bring out my words to be heard. And if you don't hear me, maybe you'll see me in future where my path will lead. Every time you attack me, I take a deep breath and I breathe, because in turn I have started to learn from everything that happens. Oh, and all the attractions. Oh, I really, really like. And one day you'll see me on my bike riding by. And I will not try to stop, because even though once I loved you a lot, that has gone. And far from hurting me, I know it's helping me to be free, letting it go and living in the flow. So if you're not listening to my mission, that's okay. Permission has been given, and then you will see what it's like to live free.